Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday, May 27th. Today I am assigning a picture argument activity which isn't due to Google Classroom until Monday, so you have a good few days to work on it. What you do, it's already in Google Classroom, but I'm just going to show you what it's going to look like in Google Classroom. You each have a copy of this. It's a picture, so I want you to look closely at the picture, then answer the questions below the picture. So here's the picture. Really take a look at it to see what's going on. And then form an argument with these questions. Answer these in an argumentative way, not an opinion-based way. What is going on in this picture? What do you see that makes you say that? What more can you find? And what would you say to someone who doesn't agree with you on what is going on in the photograph? Remember to answer this last question not in an opinion or angry way, but in a, okay, well, this is my argument. This is why I am saying what I say. Don't use opinions and emotions to answer this question. Don't say, well, you're stupid if you don't know this. No, that's your opinion. Use an argument. Argue against this person who doesn't agree with you. And then when it comes to what more can you find, that means a lot of things. Can you try to find this picture online to actually see what's going on? Can you try to find other things in the picture that could tell you the date of going on? For instance, they're wearing masks, so it's probably pretty recent, right? So, what more can you find about this picture? So that you guys each have your own copy of that in Google Classroom. So that is due on Monday. And then, of course, if you're struggling with anything still, email me with your questions and concerns. I'm here for you guys. You can still pass this class. I know it's at the end, but there are still things that you can do. Here is, again, the required work to pass this course. Pixar Shorts video activity. The literary analysis outline and paper. And then all the argumentation questions and activities. So pretty much everything in this argumentation unit. Just because I've barely assigned anything, it's a lot of little things. And I'm pretty sure you guys can get that done. Alright? Please email me with any questions or concerns about it, or maybe if you're like, okay, I can do most of this, but Ms. McCarthy, can I cut out this and this? Talk to me about it. We can come up with something that we can both agree on, where you can still pass this course. All right? Okay. So that is that. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. I don't think I actually have a video for tomorrow now that I think about it. So I will see you guys on Friday. Alright, so tomorrow, I know I put last day for seniors, I don't know why. Okay, so tomorrow's the 28th, and I'm not going to put any instructor videos, just catching up on necessary work. It's a work day. Use it wisely. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow for our first chapter Friday. Have a good day.